Friends, look! There's an earthquake on the ground. We need to do something.
Everyone get out of here, or we'll all die.
Run! It started raining here!
Run, or this earthquake will kill us.
Save me, Superman.
I'm here, my dear.
And try not to stress yourself out.
Don't worry, my love. Nothing will happen to you while I'm here.
Don't worry, everyone. I will save you all.
Yeah, I've arrived, Supergirl. Nothing can touch you while I'm here with you.
We've arrived. Now nothing can happen to us.